In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your SSD is not showing up on your Windows computer. So you've gone to the File Explorer and you're only seeing the Windows C drive, yet your SSD is plugged in. So what you want to do is actually go down to search and type in create, and then you want to select create and format hard disk drive partitions. Now under disk 0 is where you're going to see your Windows C drive, and you should see disk 1, which is actually going to be your SSD. So what you want to do is right click on this area and go to new simple volume. Now if you had a screen pop up before this asking which partition style you want to use, select GPT, and then once you're here, go to next. Now here's where it's going to show the max space available on your SSD and how much you want to use, and by default it's going to be the max number, so you can press next. Now here's where it's going to ask you to assign the following drive letter, and it's going to be on D unless you have multiple, but you can select one here and then go to next. Now for file system, you can leave it on NTFS. For allocation unit size, you can leave it on default. And the volume label is actually going to be the name of your SSD on the File Explorer. So I'm just going to name mine Extra Games because that's what I'm going to be storing on it. But feel free to name it anything you'd like and leave Perform a Quick Format checked on and then go to next. Then you just want to finish the wizard. And once you're done that, you can close this out. And now if you take a look in the bottom right corner, we can now see the SSD. And if you refresh this page, you'll see it here as well. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.